Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reel audio on your mobile phone gallery. This is very easy, let's jump right in. If you like any music on Instagram, how to download this music? First of all, open any music you want to download. Here you can see I click on this. I like this reel, I want to download this Reel music. After that, click on this. Here you can see aeroplane icon. Click on this. After that, here you can see copy link button. Here you can see copy link button. Click on this copy link. Here you can see link your copy link. Go to your Google Chrome. Here you need to search Instagram Reel audio download. After that, click on first keyword. After that, here you need to click on first click. Here you can see Instagram. uh, Click on this. After that, here you can see you need to paste the link here. Click on download button. Here you can see you need to wait few seconds. Here you can see click on this download audio button. In this way you can easily download any audio from any music from Instagram to your mobile phone gallery. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.